Vedic Sound Therapy, a treatment modality of Maharishi Ayurveda. Brought to light by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, based on Dr Tony Nader's discovery of Veda and Human Physiology. Consciousness flows through sound. Sound is a basic value of the physiology. Sound is basic to all physiological expressions. Therefore, the approach to sound will be nourishing and evolutionary to every aspect of the physiology. Vedic sound therapy is able to remedy the disorder and promote order. Maharishi.
This is a question on Maharishi Vedic medicine and the power of sound for healing. Maharishi has said that his Vedic medicine, which uses sounds to treat disease, is superior to all other approaches to health. Would Maharishi explain how sounds heal, and why are they so much more effective than a properly prescribed herb or physical therapy?
There are two words. One word is cause and the other is effect. Cause is consciousness. Effect is physical expression of the body, behavior and all that. So it's better to attend to the cause. In attending to the cause, you can handle the effect very successfully, very intelligently, very simply, very naturally. So the sound value, this is the great discovery of the most competent physiologist of our world today. He showed how the frequencies of sound which are available in the Vedic literature and all that, and how they have taken the shape of the physical fibers in the brain, in the whole physiology and all that. So, consciousness or the reverberations of sound, Vedic sound, the reverberations of the Vedic sound, how they transform themselves into physiology. When this was found, then I said, yes, the world can be out of ignorance, because the cause of the physical body, physical behavior, physical language and all that, the cause is found in the field of intelligence, consciousness. And that is what the scientists in our field, they are promoting this causal value in order to eliminate any disorder in the effect, in the physiology. Cause is consciousness. Consciousness is, in its transcendental value, it is eternal, long lived. It is eternal, that's all, eternal. Consciousness is unending, eternal, transcendental. The word in the Vedic literature is Nitya and Apaurushaya Ved. Ved, the reverberations of knowledge, the Vedic sound, Vedic mantras, Vedic vibrations, they are the basic values. The example is, just as the gardener knows how to bring nourishment to all the values of the thousands of leaves, flowers, fruits. He only waters the root. if we can take care of consciousness, develop higher state of consciousness, and then we would have created a natural situation for the physiology to be functioning in the orderly manner. So there will be no pain, no suffering, no problems, nothing. And this is being applied on every level of administration of a government. So that from the governmental level, best education, best healthcare, best agriculture, best defense, best engineering, best social order, best everything best will be available to the people, that's all. It's out of compassion. It's out of compassion that the greatest physiologist of this scientific age is sponsoring a health program based on the most fundamental level of life, the vibrations of consciousness, available in the Vedic literature. Very beautiful time for the world, really very beautiful time for the world. Everything about this is cosmic, cosmic, cosmic.
Principle of Maharishi Vedic Sound Therapy. The physical body is the transformation of consciousness into physiology. Every part of the physiology is the expression of the vibrations of consciousness, as available in the Vedic sounds, the sounds of the Veda and the 40 aspects of Vedic literature, as brought to light by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. This is the focal point of Maharishi Vedic Sound Therapy. As this order can be delicately handled from the meeting point of consciousness and physiology. As physiology has its source in the vibrations of consciousness, by listening to the correct aspect of Vedic sound, it is able to enliven its repair mechanisms. The approach of Vedic sound therapy is free from negative side effects.
The lotus is connected to the EEG brainwave measure, and as the EEG coherence is high, the flower opens up, and as coherence goes down, the flower closes up a bit. You can see here now, Rig Veda has started. Notice how coherent it remains. Now we're remarkable high levels of coherence.
अग्निमीळे पुरोहितं यज्ञस्य देवमृत्विजम् होतारं रत्नधातमम् अग्निः पूर्वेभिरर्षिभिरीड्यो नूतनैरुता स देवान् एह वक्षति अग्निना आरयिमश्नवत्पोषमेव दिवे दिवे यशसं वीरवत्तमम् अग्नेयं यज्ञमध्वरं विश्वतः परिभूरसि स इद्देवेषु गच्छति अग्निर्होता कविक्रतुः सत्यश्चित्रश्रवस्तमः देवो देवेभिरागमत्